Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Copilot. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, in order to install Microsoft Copilot, you need some prerequisites. So you need to have a Microsoft 365 active subscription. So ensure you have a Microsoft 365 subscription that includes access to Copilot Studio. And then also make sure you've got a compatible environment. Make sure your system meets the requirements for running Microsoft Copilot. This typically includes a compatible version of Windows or Mac OS and a modern web browser. Alright, the steps to install Microsoft Copilot Studio. So access your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So go ahead and open up your web browser and head on over to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center here. And then sign in with your admin account. And then once there, navigate to the app section. So in the admin center, navigate to the app section. This can be found in the left-hand navigation pane. And then you need to find your Microsoft Copilot Studio. So use the search function within the app section to find Microsoft Copilot Studio. Click on the app to open its details page. And then from there, install the application. On the Microsoft Copilot Studio details page, click the install or get it now button. And then from there, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This may involve agreeing to the terms of service and selecting the users or groups within your organization that will have access to the app. And then from there, step 5, assign licenses. Ensure that the users who need access to Microsoft Copilot Studio have the appropriate licenses assigned. This can be done in the users section of the admin center. And then from there, find the user, click on their name, and under the licenses and apps tab, assign the necessary licenses. And then once installed, users can access Microsoft Copilot Studio from their Microsoft 365 apps list or directly from the app launcher in Microsoft 365. And there's a few additional tips here. So check the documentation, refer to all Microsoft documentation for detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips. And support, if you encounter issues, contact Microsoft support for any assistance that you may require. Alright guys, I hope this guide helped and I'll see you in the next video.